Muhammad Buhari, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and according to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law.
Bari mata su faɗar rama a ji daɗin duniya malam.
Bari mata ku faɗar rama a ga kowa ya daga baka.
Baba ya hau, baba ya hau,
Aya kai.
masu ƴaƴa su ta hamdala baba ya hau.
Congratulations, Mr. President. Wish you best of luck. Congratulations, Mr. President.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
Congratulations, Baba what?
Bye-bye.
Bari sai ka kai faɗar rama ka ga tsallan kunnu.